Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So you guys know I love organizing my planner selection. So Happy Planner recently just came out with create your own sticker books. As you guys know, I had at least over 50 to more sticker books from Happy Planner, and your girl needed to declutter and organize. So I purchased a couple of their Create Your Story sticker books from Joann's. All the links will be down below, and I customized all my sticker books. This was fairly fun. It was easy. It let me know what I like and dislike, and it let me know I do not need to buy any more sticker books. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Have fun with all your planning needs and your organize, and let me know what more videos you would like to see. Talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye. Alright, so a tip that I recommend is when you're going through your sticker sheets like I did, look at the stickers to see if you could create a story when you're planning. That's what I did, and think about, will I use these stickers in the next 6 months to a year? It's like decluttering your house. If you do not use those books, then actually give the sheets away. If you're wondering what I did with all my sticker books, I actually gave them to a friend. I also decluttered any of my stickers that I had purchased from Etsy and whatnot. I know it sounds crazy, but we all get caught up with all the hype and realize I don't need every book that comes out, and some books are just essential for your needs. Alright, so everything is done. I have a total of 8 customized books. I did use a label maker to go ahead and set labels on all the books. Now I've gotten rid of all of my books. If you guys want to see an updated planner collection or sticker video, please leave a comment down below and I'll get it back to you. Till then, have a blessed day.